I hear this all the time. Someone looks at the rack and says, I already use an app for my collection. And I get it. You have a system, it works. Why would you change it to something new? That's a lot of work. But here's what I need you to understand: the rack is not a collection tracker. It's not trying to replace whatever app you're using right now. It's a completely different type of tool for a different purpose. This is business management. It enhances the way that you look at your facility. Let me show you what I mean. This is the dashboard, the first thing you see when you log in. Most apps show you a list of your animals, but the rack shows you what needs your attention. Look at these alerts. You've got balance due. This tells me exactly how many buyers owe me money. I click it and I see who they are. No more questioning if someone owes you something before you ship it out. This at a glance card style tells you everything you need to know the day you're making those labels. Who ships this week? I quickly know what's going on without digging through messages on Morph Market or in my texts or on calendars. Ready to list. These are hatchlings that have been sitting for 30 days or more and not listed yet. How many times have you had a hatchling in your rack you didn't realize you haven't even listed? This is a great way to double check those kind of things. I would forget about these without this alert. So would many. Next card, needing sexing. Animals I have not sexed yet. Easy to lose track when you have a full rack or many racks, like most of us. Due soon. Clutches that are close to a hatch date. No more guessing or counting days manually. None of that happens anymore. This system allows you to print your clutch card, has the date on it that you're hatching. No more accidentally cutting eggs too soon. No more human error when writing. The system captures it all and alerts you in advance. This is not data storage. This is my business telling me what to do next. That is what is so vital about this app and how it's very different from what's on the internet today. Now, let me show you the breeding pipeline because this is intense and super valuable. This is every female in my program and exactly where she is in her breeding cycle. I don't have to guess or even try to remember. These cards show me everyone. A waiting lock. These females have been paired, but I have not gotten a visual lock. See, paired means they just went into the bin. But if I don't see it, I can't capture it as a lock. So these are all the females that haven't moved on to the lock stage. No confirmed locks. The next is locked. These are confirmed locks with males listed. No questioning. You can see the potential fathers. Ovulation. This tells you which females have ovulated. You would want to know that so that you can watch for that pre-lay shed, which is next. You're building up to lay. Laid is eggs that are out. She finished, she's done, now she needs to gain weight. Incubating. This is what is in the incubator with a due date. Hatched. How many? How many are done for the season? No other app I have used shows me it in this view. I can see my entire season at a glance and know exactly where every female stands. Here's where it really separates from collection trackers to sales analytics. Total revenue, animals sold, average sale price, peak month, days to sell. This is calculated automatically from my sales data. The more data you put into this, the better results you get. I do not have to export anything to a spreadsheet to do the math because the other apps aren't for tracking sales. Monthly revenue broken down by month. I can see exactly when my sales happen and compare it to last year. Sales by genetics. Show me what is actually selling and for how much. This is really important for you to see because it allows you to start pre planning for the next season. What is trending? Price distribution. Am I selling mostly low ticket or high ticket animals? Average price by sex. Are my males or females bringing in more? This is a this is business intelligence. Collection trackers do not do this. And then there's the breeder planning. This helps me look ahead. Who am I pairing this season? What projects am I working on? What does my lineup look like? It's not just about what happened, it's about what's coming. So when someone tells me they already use an app, I'm not here to argue. Those apps are great for what they do. They track your collection, they store your data, but that is not what the rack does. The rack manages your business. It tells you who owes you money, what is shipping, what is hatching, what is sold, and what needs attention. These are not competing tools. They solve different problems. If you've ever forgotten to follow up on a payment, missed a ship date, or had no idea what the revenue really was, the rack was built for you. Try the demo free at the rackapp.io. Absolutely no commitment. It's a demo. You can use it, try it, become familiar with it. Just see what it actually does before you decide it is the same thing as everyone else has, because it's not.